Hello, I'm going to teach you another program. Write a program to find the area of rectangle, square and circle as per your choice. You can see we have choice in the question. So wherever you will have choice in the question, we have to use switch case. In switch case, we have a term called choice. I have told you about, and you also know about loops, for loop, while loop, do while loop, switch case loop. So until you will do any program in any loop, you will not able to understand it. For that, we will write preprocessor directives. Has include iostream.h and again conio.h. We will start by main method clr scr to clear the screen, int ch for choice, l, b and site. For we will require, you can see the question, to area of rectangle, square and circle. So we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth, square is pi r square and circle is pi r square. So accordingly we need to set some variables: ch, length, breadth and site. Float, area, r. Float is also a data type. You need to be clear about data type. Float is also data type which is used to take decimal values. So cout, enter your choice 1, 2, 3, means we have to print three things: area of circle, square and rectangle. So for that, cout area of rectangle. First message is 1 area of circle. So here first message will be, I have told you that when we have more than one option, then we will use switch case. We will write a message, enter your choice. We have three choice, 1, 2 and 3. In first choice, we will print the message area of rectangle, second area of square and third area of circle. Then we will accept ch. Then we will write, this is the pattern to write switch case. Inside switch, we need to write the variable ch for choice. We will have different cases as we have studied in the question. Case 1, we have to find out the area of rectangle. So we will write enter length and breadth of rectangle. We will accept then c in length and breadth, and we will write the formula area equals to length into breadth, as you know. And then again we will print the message area of rectangle is area. This 4 line is compulsory for one case. If you want to print area of anything, then you have to write these 4 lines. Depending upon the formula will change in every line. Then we will at the end of switch case, we need to write a break statement. This is used to break one case. Now case 2, enter the side of square. You know the area of square is area of a square is side into side. So we will print the message area of square is area, then break. Then enter the radius of circle. As area of circle is pi r square, we will write the value of pi r square. We will print the message area of circle is area, then break. As we have 3 cases, we have completed all the cases. So we will write a default cout invalid choice. In switch case, you need to understand one thing, that after each switch case, one case, we need to write a break statement, and after all the cases will finish, then we need to write the default statement. So break statement is used to halt one case and default statement is used to halt entire switch case, and then we will write get ch. Thank you.